Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable developer mode on Windows 11. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Developer mode is a feature that lets developers sideload, install, and test third-party apps on Windows 11. Only developers and testers should use this feature since it enables them to create and test programs outside the Microsoft Store. So, what if you want to enable this feature on your PC or laptop? It's very simple. First of all, you can go to your Windows. You can open the Start menu. Now you can go to Settings. From Settings, you can select on System. From System, you can just scroll down. You can just scroll down in here. Now you can go to this menu to enable the developer options. To advance. So from system, you can go to advance. Now you can just scroll down. On the for developer section, there is an option developer mode. By default, it's set to off. If you want to turn this on, you want to enable, you can just enable like this. Now, turning on developer mode, including installing and running apps from outside the Microsoft Store, could expose your device and personal data to security risks or harm your device. You can just select on yes. So now we have enabled the developer mode on your PC or laptop. It's very simple, right? So that is how to enable developer mode on your PC or laptop. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.